Hello everybody. This is some tapping to really nurture your inner child today. So take a minute to gently close down your eyes. Place one hand on your chest, your heart center. We'll begin with 3 deep cleansing breaths. So breathing in through the nose and letting go through your mouth. One more, breathing in. Letting go through your mouth. Then do one more, breathing in. And letting go through your mouth. Then bring your breath to a gentle rise and fall. As I want you to visualize a little child is standing right in front of you now. I want you to notice their hair, their eyes, their little body, their arms, their clothes. And I want you to notice what they're doing today. Are they playing a game next to you? Are they drawing? Maybe they're tugging at your leg. Maybe they want your attention today. What do you notice today with just a gentle curiosity? And then I want you to actually ask that little child how they are feeling today and really actively listen. Do they say they are scared or anxious, worried? Are they doubting themselves? Are they feeling angry? Are they feeling frustrated? What is going on for that little child today? Just listen with no judgment, just a gentle curiosity. And I just want you to tune into just how nurtured they feel today. 10 being they don't feel nurtured at all. They really need some loving attention today. 0 being they feel completely cool, calm and collected. Just notice where that number is, but with no judgment. Then I want you to gently open your eyes and tapping on your karate chop, repeat after me. Even though my inner child needs nurturing today, I love and deeply accept myself anyway. And even though they have some big emotions right now, that's okay. All of their emotions are valid. Speaking directly to my inner child. I hear you. I see you. All of your emotions are valid and safe with me now. And then moving around to the inner eyebrow point as you gently close down your eyes. My inner child needs nurturing today. Outer eyebrow. How are they feeling today? Underneath the eye. What's going on for them right now? Underneath the nose. Has anything triggered them recently? Underneath the mouth. How is that little child feeling today? Tapping on the chest. What do they need to tell me? Underneath the arm. What emotions are they experiencing today? Tapping on the head. What emotions was I not able to express? Inner eyebrow. When I was younger. Outer eyebrow. What did I need to suppress? Underneath the eye. What is going on for that little child today? Underneath the nose. all of their emotions are normal and valid. Underneath the mouth, speaking directly to my inner child. Tapping on the chest. I see you. Underneath the arm. I hear you. Tapping on the head. All of your emotions are valid. Place your palms facing up, shut down your eyes. Take a deep cleansing breath for me, breathing in. Letting go. And with the eyes gently closed, just tuning in to how that little child feels. And again, you can visualize that little child in front of you and just notice how they're feeling in this moment. How nurtured are they feeling? And just see if that number is beginning to reduce even just a little bit. Remember, 0 is feeling completely nurtured. 10 is feeling like they really need some support. So just notice where you are, but with no judgment whatsoever. And also just tune into anything that's going on in the body. So any areas that are feeling more tense or more relaxed, but with no judgment. Then gently open your eyes and we'll do another round. So tapping on the karate chop, repeat after me. Even though my inner child still needs nurturing today, I love and deeply accept myself anyway. And even though that little child went through so much, I am here with them right now, reminding them they are completely safe. They are never alone. I am here with them now and forevermore. And then moving to the inner eyebrow point, speaking directly to my inner child. Outer eyebrow, you are never alone. Underneath the eye, you are completely safe with me. Underneath the nose, you are completely safe with me. Underneath the mouth, all of your emotions are safe with me. Tapping on the chest, all of your emotions are valid. Underneath the arm, I see you. Tapping on the head, and I hear you, your words. Inner eyebrow, you are never alone. Outer eyebrow, I am here with you now. Underneath the eye, I am here to keep you safe. Underneath the nose, and to remind you, underneath the mouth, that it is safe to express all of your emotions. Tapping on the chest, I'm sorry you ever had to suppress them. Underneath the arm, I am giving you a safe space. Tapping on the head, to finally be your authentic self. Place your palms facing up, shut down your eyes, deep cleansing breath for me, breathing in and out. And then with eyes gently closed, first tuning into the body and how your body is feeling in this moment. And then just tuning into your number. How nurtured does that little child feel in this moment as you've really begun to make them feel so seen and so heard and really validated all of their emotions. So gently open your eyes. We're going to do one final round, even though. My inner child still needs some nurturing today. I love and deeply accept myself anyway. And even though that little child went through so much, I am so proud of how far we've come. Speaking directly to that little child. You are amazing, just the way that you are. Inner eyebrow, speaking directly to my inner child. Outer eyebrow, you are good enough. Underneath the eye, exactly the way that you are. Underneath the nose, all of your emotions are valid and safe. Underneath the mouth, it is safe to be yourself. Tapping on the chest, it is incredible to be authentic. Underneath the arm, your voice is powerful. Tapping on the head, it's okay to make mistakes. Inner eyebrow, you don't need to be perfect. Outer eyebrow, you don't need to please others. Underneath the eye, you are good enough. Underneath the nose, exactly the way that you are. Underneath the mouth, you are completely safe with me. Tapping on the chest, safe to be your authentic self. Underneath the arm, you are good enough. Tapping on the head, exactly the way that you are. Okay, place your palms facing up. Shut down your eyes. Take a deep cleansing breath when we're breathing in. Letting go. And just take a moment to tune in firstly to your body. How does that feel in this moment? And then tuning in to how you feel in this moment. How does that little child feel, but also how do you feel in this moment? How nurtured do both of you feel in this present moment? And then whenever you are ready, you can slowly begin to open your eyes.